Hi guys, I hope you all are doing good, and in today's video I want to create this makeup look for you guys which I recently wore to my girls night out. So the first step is gonna be skincare, and I have already prepped my skin. The first product I'm gonna be using here is gonna be Instant Age Rewind Concealer from Maybelline. Now this is gonna be in the shade Caramel, and I love this concealer because first of all it's affordable guys, and secondly it not only helps in concealing the dark spots and dark circles you have on your face, but it also helps in highlighting it. So just with this and you're gonna be good to go. Now it blends like magic in your skin, and it is a high coverage concealer guys, and I absolutely love the results. So I'm gonna take a damp beauty blender. You can take a brush. I also like using brush for blending the concealer around my eyes, and yes, blending is gonna take some time, so yes, just take time with the blending so that it can melt in your skin and it can look natural. And after that we need a loose powder to set it all up. Now today again I'll be using Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder, and this is gonna be in the shade Medium Deep. So taking a brush, I'm just gonna place it all over and I'll dust off the extra. Next product is gonna be a strobe cream guys, and who doesn't love MAC strobe cream? Now I have used it before, I love the results, and it was in a little packaging that I got as a sample, so I thought why not get a bigger one. So I'll tell you guys that it blends like magic again and give you that illuminated look from within, which I absolutely love guys. So after concealing my face I'm going to use it, because you do not need to apply this around your eyes anyways, because we need a matte look around the eyes. So I'm just going to take a little bit and apply it all over my face. It blends quickly guys, and it makes your skin super hydrated and nourished. I absolutely love this, and I got it in a pack of 2 with a kajal as well. It was on an offer. Next up we need a foundation. Now this is the first time that I'm going to be using Milani Conceal Plus Perfect 2-in-1 foundation. Now this is a high coverage foundation guys, as you can have a look. Just one pump and you're going to be good to go. Because we are going for a full glam makeup look today, I wanted to opt for a high coverage foundation, and I found the right one. Believe me guys, once you have it, you're gonna forget all the foundation you guys have used in the past. It helps in beautifully covering your face. It blends like magic in your skin, and I love the shade. It matched me perfectly, and the shade which I'm going to be using today is going to be 06 Sand Beige. Now if you fall in the complexion just as mine, this is going to be the right shade for you. I loved it guys, it blends beautifully, and this was the second time that I'm using this foundation and I was struck, believe me. So taking a damp beauty sponge, I'm gonna blend it. Now take time with blending guys. I'll tell you that it really helps in making your face and your makeup look natural, and just take time with the blending. And if you do not want to use a makeup sponge, you can even go for a brush. After that I'm going to be moving on to lips. So today I am going to be using this Maybelline Color Sensational Shaping Lip Liner and the shade 120 Rich Chocolate. Now this is my favorite pencil guys. If you're wearing nude, you're good as well. And today the lip color which I'm going to be using is by MAC, and this is gonna be their Ruby Woo shade. Now again, this is the first time that I have gotten this lip color, and I absolutely loved it. Now you can never go wrong with red mouth. It instantly helps in brightening up your face, and just a red lipstick guys, and I am ready to take on the world. After that, for my cheeks guys, I will be using a lipstick again, and this is gonna be from Bobbi Brown in the shade Ruby. I absolutely love the packaging. This is gonna be their small package, and it also has a little bit sheen to it, so I won't be applying the highlighter, just a little bit of this on the cheek for a little flush of color, and I'm gonna be good to go. Now after doing this, again I'm going to be taking the same sponge I applied my foundation with, and I'll just blend it out. It looked beautiful. I just love this hack using the lipstick as your blush. And I'm gonna set it all up using my MAC Prep and Prime Fix. Now guys, this is gonna be my favorite palette. And I got it from Myntra guys, and Myntra Beauty is the perfect place to try out new beauty brands and trends. So I'm gonna be taking this shade Pearl and apply it all over my lid, and it is gonna give me such beautiful luminous base. After that, I am going to be taking a kohl. Now my eyes can never look open and bright without a kohl. So here I have taken this MAC Kajal in the shade black. I got it in offer on Myntra. It was on 15% off, and I also got it with a straw cream. So it was in a package as I absolutely loved it. I got it on a discount. And believe me, on Myntra, I first time seen that you get discount on luxury makeup. And you can also check out their YouTube channel. The link is gonna be in the description box below, guys. Lastly, I'll apply the mascara, and it is a newly launched mascara by L'Oreal. Also, it is a limited edition, guys, which is exclusively available on Myntra. It is gonna be Love Liberate Lash Paradise Mascara. Now the variant which I was using earlier was waterproof, so it was a bit difficult to remove it. But can you look at the volume, guys? It instantly helps in lifting your whole look and your eyes. I loved how it looks, guys. Just 2 to 3 strokes and you're gonna be good to go. It is gonna give you that false lashes effect. So here we are coming to the end of this video, guys. All the products links are gonna be in the description box below. I really hope that you liked the video. If you did, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. See you guys super soon with another one. Till then, take care. Bye bye. I love you all so much.